I don't have a lawyer, the respondent said. Prophet Key tells Supreme Court justices during Tuesday hearing that he does not have a lawyer. Proceedings at the Supreme Court of Liberia were briefly delayed today after Justin Obayezen Elias Prophet Key appeared before the full bench without legal representation, prompting the court to postpone the matter until Tuesday. Prophet Key, whose online commentary has recently drawn public attention against the Chief Justice and member of the full bench of the Supreme Court, was summoned by the Supreme Court to respond to allegations linked to statements and content shared on various social media platforms. When the case was called, Prophet Key appeared in person but without a lawyer. Court records indicate that the individual informed the justice that no legal counsel had been secured to provide representation for the hearing. Members of the bench stressed the importance of proper legal representation in matters before the nation's highest court, particularly in cases that may involve constitutional or contempt-related issues. The justices noted that legal counsel is necessary to ensure that the respondent fully understands the proceedings and is afforded due process. In light of the circumstances, the court exercised its discretion and postponed the hearing to Thursday. The respondent, Prophet Key, must appear with counsel to proceed. Former Associate Justice and Workers' Rights representing the Supreme Court emphasized that the court seeks to ensure fairness and compliance with judicial procedures. Observers inside the courtroom said the atmosphere remained calm as the postponement was announced. Supporters and members of the public who had gathered to follow the case quietly dispersed after the brief session. I appreciate Melvin Jackson for this beautiful piece, and of course our Spoon team was also there in presence of Nelson Collet and Ernest Bina. My name is Lorena Honoré. Thank you for listening and watching.